Today's the day. We've got the motor mounts are mounted. Got Kurt pulling up right here. Got the cherry picker ready. Let's do the thing. You're good. Okay, let me set you guys down.
A little more.
Is there aluminum?
Give her a little more. Okay, give her a little more. There you go. There, that's on.
Check.
No, I'm back. Oh, that's so much weight. It's a lot easier for me to bend over.
That's good. I'm happy. Can I borrow that? A towel?
Yeah, they can have that.
No, I just don't want to scratch up the. I don't want to scratch up the pristine transmission.
The pan is all scratched underneath anyways.
Yeah, right. Yeah, I mean, I'm not saying I don't understand it. I do understand.
How's that working?
Hey, shut up. Let her down a little bit.
Yep, I will.
Jeez. It's happening again. Well, we're working together. I gotta shut up. Okay.
What's happening with that?
You give me a wrench. Okay, I was grabbing the starter.
Yep. Now we can do that, or I gotta put this down. Glad you didn't throw anything there.
Me too. Because that was the first one of. Oh, crap. Well, granted, we could have found them, but. Never mind, we're leaving yours.
I'm just gonna leave.
Alright.
Where's the string?
Let's get this out of the way. We don't need that.
Oh. We're gonna use my strap.
These are. I'll go buy you some.
No, you ain't gonna buy me
Good
any.
Lord, I gotta listen to you.
Did I buy you that Darlington hat? I think I did.
Oh, yeah, you did. Yeah.
Don't even wear it, do you?
No, for sure. I don't really wear. I really only wear like 4 hats. One's my deer hat. Heaven forbid, Kurt gets
Freaking mosquitoes!
bit by a bug.
You do know that when you handle those headers, you should wear some rubber gloves.
Oh, sorry. You good?
No, I'm good. Oh.
Might have to take the wheels off.
Can I come up a little bit?
Yeah, you're hitting the bracket.
Yep. You didn't have that on when we... Take that off. You don't have it tightened up, so... That's just something more to hit. And see, when you do that, it pushes me back out. Right now, you're sitting right on it here.
What?
You're sitting on a cross member.
Yeah, but I can go back another like inch
To where?
to the back of where it's supposed to stop. Day 2. Motor's in. So we got the motor in. Kurt is currently beating on the transmission tunnel, trying to get us more clearance so we can fit that in. But yeah, this is where we're at. Nothing's tight right now, but we're getting there. It does fit, it's just barely. It's at an angle right now, but we'll get to where it's in the right spot. Alright, I'll get back with you guys. How is it going? Oh, we gotta move it over there. Oops, sorry.
Where are you at on your side?
I'm not hitting anything. We want to move it. There we go. Up more. Hopefully you don't hit.
We're there.
Close. I'm hitting.
Where are you hitting it?
I'm hitting a tab that I didn't grind off on the side of the truck right here.
Well, then let's let it back down.
Yep.
This is why we do this right now. Back it up a little bit.
Good.
Keep backing it up as we do. Oop, it's caught.
Now I'm hitting. Yep, you gotta let it down. If as long as it'll clear. It will. Never mind. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. You're good. I'm fine.
How far do we gotta go to get the tab out?
No, on the transmission. One
Oh.
of these fins is hitting.
Well, we're gonna have to do it underneath here.
That's fine. I just need to make sure that it's not gonna tip.
It ain't gonna tip.
This sucks. It goes right in. Okay, so we got it. Look, 3-track? Right? Here you go.
We're gonna have to adjust.
Oh man, that brake line's in the way.
No, because you gotta remember the engine's the back of the engine's got
Yep. So this was my question. How are we gonna get to the top then?
I'll show you. You can get to them right from up top.
We're really close to the firewall. That's my worry. I'm good here. I got my. I think that's a dowel. Yeah. That's one. But I can't get a bolt to that. How many bolts is like the?
I got all kinds of room up here, but we're not.
That's what I mean. We're still.
The back.
These, we gotta lift the jack, the back of the transmission.
What are you doing?
Thinking. What are you doing?
Well, I'm wondering. I'm waiting for you to say which way. Does it have clearance from the oil pan to that frame?
No.
This is a big problem.
I mean, it does clear, technically.
And it should have at least a good. I'd like to see at least a quarter of an inch of a gap.
Problem is when you jack it up, one side has a quarter of an inch.
One
I don't
side
know if
does.
the motor's kind of cocked. Okay. We're on try number 3. We've had to drop the trans twice. So here's the deal with a 4L60, but this is not a regular 4L60 that was in the truck. It was a 4L65, which is a newer one. There's a bunch of fins on it at the top, and they all hit the bell housing. And I beat on the lip that I've seen you guys talk about. But what you don't mention is it just doesn't fit. So we're working on trying to get it to fit right now. Kurt's under there again. I tried to cut it the first time. He said, give me the damn thing, and we're doing it again. We know what we got to do with the cross member. We're using the stock cross member. I just got to figure out how to make it work. So we'll keep you guys posted. I was taking pictures. Okay, so motor trans is back in for the fourth time, I think. Got the bell housing bolts tightened up. Check to make sure. I think Kurt's trying to make sure we got enough clearance in the cross member. But we had to do some work for the trans mount too.
Give it a wrench and tighten these up.
Okay. So I cut the hole out so we can fit the bolt through there because the old tab we had to cut off. Alright. Keep you posted when we finally got it mounted. Okay, so we're back. Kurt's gonna be welding up because I don't know, apparently I don't get to do that. But we got Kurt here, weld up the cross member. gotta weld 2 little tabs on it because we gotta raise the cross member a little bit because this is sitting a little goofy. So we're gonna get this welded up for the tabs, and we'll get the mount. And once we have the motor and trans, the drivetrain fully mounted, then we'll start putting everything on it. But we're gonna wait. We're gonna try to get a grinder wheel in there, because that is just, there is a gap there, but it is so stinking close. So that's where we're at. We'll keep you guys updated here. And hey, I got a magnet. I'll get you a magnet.
That works pretty good.
Told ya. You want to clean that off? You're just gonna weld over that.
Alright. Shut this off.
You want to try
I
to
have to
fit
make
it
sure we put this.
in the right spot?
I want to get them in first before we tighten it.
Okay, so
We are. So put your. You gotta get your shit in.
Okay.
over there.
we gotta put the cross member.
What?
Talking to the camera. What was the last one? This one must be threaded.
Yes.
It's in.
Did you tighten down all the bolts?
Yeah, it's pretty tight.
Yeah, really tight.
Yeah, I thought it was. Well, the thing is, when I tighten one, the other one gets loose.
Oh, that's how it works.
How tight did you go?
Check the other one.
It's gonna be loose.
You don't want shit falling off.
Especially this. Ah!
There you go. Your little bolts tight?
Yeah. And that's a
Okay.
small bolt,
Okay,
so.
that's it.
Hey! Look at that!
Don't look too close at that bracket, because it ain't pretty.
That's alright. You know what? It works though.
Well, it ain't pretty.
Okay, so we do have room. I've got room on my side. I know you got room on your side, so. Not a lot. I'm gonna have to figure out the fuel line. That's my next.
I ain't worried about that at all. That's easy.
But it's in. Cool. You missed a bolt. Your one's not tight.
Oh.
What's up, guys? It is Sunday. Kurt just went home. He's heading home. He's on a long trip home. So, big shout out to Dad. So, here's the progress that we made. We've got the headers on. Spark plugs are in. Got a lot of work still to do. But, big step. Drivetrain is in and mounted. Now, thought I was going to get more work done. Thought we were going to be a lot more productive. Did not happen that way. At all. Whoever said that this was easy, full of crap. Full of crap. The motor fits, but can you see that? Barely? Yeah, you can't really see it. There's like an 1/8 inch on the passenger side, but we've got the transmission is in, and I've got the cable ran. I've got a mount. I gotta fasten it. I've got more wiring to do in the cab, but the shifter is permanently installed, so I can. There's reverse, neutral, drive. So yeah, big step. What I need to do is clean and get an inventory of what I need. I need to order some more things now, stuff for the exhaust, stuff for everything. So it's just a big old mess, and really today is going to be a reset day and kind of figure out what we need to get done still before I can click this sucker on and just hear it bark for a little bit. But anyway, thank you guys for watching this video. We were successful. The motor and trans is in and mounted, so that is a big win. Now it's just getting everything else on it to make it run. It's gonna take a little bit, probably a week or two. And then, yeah, so I'm gonna keep taking you guys along. Let me know if you guys want to see anything about what we did. We had to make a custom trans cross member mount bracket. I'm running speed engineering 1 3/4 headers to a 3-inch collector, and I've got Dirty Dingo motor mounts. So yeah, long way to go, but I appreciate you guys watching this. You know, this is a lot of work. I didn't get everything recorded, but mainly it was like to give you guys a summary of how the day went yesterday and Friday. Well, this doesn't fit. Well, can we hit it with a hammer to make it fit? Sure. Or we'd go, no. Well, can we hit the thing that's hitting it? Can that be hit with a hammer? Yeah. All right, we'll hit it with a hammer. And it was just a lot of that, and we had to pull the transmission off 4 or 5 times. Yeah, 4 or 5 times. It was just a long process, but we're gonna get it. If this was easy, everyone would do it. So, yeah, I'm gonna let you guys go here, and I'm gonna get to cleaning.